Welcome to How to Correctly Use a Computer. A beginner's guide to proper computing. Start by taking a seat at your desk. Sit up straight. Focus on only one task at a time. And always keep your workstation clean and tidy. Treat your computer with respect. It is not a toy. Do not touch the screen. To send an electronic document, you'll need to print, sign, scan, attach, then send. Your computer comes with a standard arrow cursor. You must stay within reach of a Wi-Fi signal. It does not have a camera. To connect one, refer to your instruction manual. And keep it out of reach of children. You have now learned the basics of computing. Follow these instructions precisely and enjoy using your computer correctly.